And now, I just got that wrong. So please welcome to the stage my amazing co-producer, Debbie Twinkle. I don't know if you know this, but we're the Pino sisters. I am Noir, and this is Gree. We're both a bit grey, to be fair, but that's okay. And guess what I forgot to put on, and guess what you forgot to put on?
Underwear.
Yeah, well, this the only winners get to wear crowns. Yeah, sorry. Very important. We can't do it without them. Hang on. Oh, I can't actually stand. I can't stand. I'm deeply awkward. Excuse me, sorry, can you hold it? Hang on. Ceremonies must be observed. And now we're going to crown some people. Ready? Do I have to do? We've only got one microphone, because DIY. We're in a budget. Okay, so the first award we're going to give out is a Sustainability Award. Obviously, sustainability is a big part of what we're trying to do here, and it goes to the person that we feel got the most spectacular costume out of the most sustainable resources. So it's bang for not actually bucks. Looking like $1 million when having spent 45. And the winner of the Sustainability Award is... Do we have a drum roll? Can you make a drum roll? Raymond Douglas! Okay, and now we're on to the runner-up. The runner-up. I need to call Monty Doll out, I've been told. So who's going to present the runner-up award for tonight? So the runner-up, great DIY BurlesKiwi is Miss Wiggs! It's usually the other way around. I'm trying to get rid of no, stay on stage. You don't have to pretend to be pissed off. Or not to be pissed off. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The winner of the BurlesKiwi 2024 is going to be announced by Faye Bell. That the crown is going from the current great, the current great DIY BurlesKiwi to the new DIY BurlesKiwi. It's very quiet here at Westminster Abbey. Shut up. I am Max! Papaoea. Again, hang on a minute. And that's us done, except for the cool parts where everyone, all you voters are going to come back on the stage and we're going to give them a huge try. We're going to get our photos taken because we're vain. Paul's going to play some music and I'm going to shout thank yous over all of that. Right? We ready? Go! Pretend like you may start making your way to the front. We're pulling a stunt.
What? A stunt?
Tonight.
A stunning cunt? I mean, a cunt.
We're coming a stunt. We have a special award tonight. We've been plotting this since last year. It had to happen. I don't even know where to go. What am I going to say? Go on.
This is our 10th anniversary show, and we have now got 10 amazing, great DIY BurlesKiwi winners. However, in the last 10 years, there has been one performer who has stepped up, stepped in, been amazing, and just is what I would say DIY in New Zealand. So we have the ultimate DIY BurlesKiwi 2015 to 2024, and that goes to
Ms. Weir! And hand it on to you. Longest standing after. Thank you for having us. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for our amazing winners. All of you. I'm going to cry. I could go emotional. This is supposed to happen. You're amazing. You're amazing. You're amazing. You're welcome back. Like I said, next time I expect to see you all. I'll be counting. We're amazing. These guys are amazing. I'm fucking amazing. Paul, our therapist, is amazing. Oh, look, let's just have some more music.